You can print on long sheets up to 330 by 660 mm, 26-inch, using the standard XLS feature. This lets you create banners, advertisements, A4 landscape, book covers, calendars, and long sheet prints. XLS specifications include print speed, up to 9 ppm, Simplex mode only. Paper weights, uncoated 52 to 220 GSM, coated 72 to 220 GSM. Maximum paper size, 330 by 660 mm. Maximum printable area, 323 by 654 mm. To use this feature, sheets must be fed from tray 5 and sent to an output destination of the offset catch tray or a top tray of the OHCF or finisher. If your configuration contains a GBC AdvancedPunchPro, it must also have an inserter in order to print XLS. To print extra long sheets, follow these steps. Load the paper into the bypass tray, tray 5, located on top of the 2-tray OHCF, or directly on the side of the press when no optional feeders are configured with the system. Open the tray 5 paper guides wider than the paper to be able to insert the paper. Load the paper. Hold the center of the paper guides and close them so that they touch the edges of the stack. Program the paper at the press control panel. After you load the paper tray settings window opens on the control panel. On this window, touch Change Settings. Select 1. Paper size. Touch Custom Size. Enter the length, X, and height, Y, of the paper you loaded. For example, 26 inches by 13 inches. Touch Save. Touch Save. Touch Confirm. When printing extra long sheets, use the top tray extension rails to support the long paper. These rails may already be inserted into the PR finisher's tray, in which case you only have to pull them out to their full extension. They may also be stored at the back of the finisher, in a storage bin. If the rails are in the storage bin, simply retrieve them and insert them into the holes in the end of the tray. Submit the job file to the print server's hold queue. Send the job using File, Print from a PC on the network, or use the import function at the server. To use import, follow these steps. On the Fiery Print server, click the Import shortcut. Click the Add button. Navigate to the file and select it. Click the Hold button. The job is sent to the hold queue. Set the job properties at the print server. Double-click the job in the hold area to open its properties. On the Quick Access tab, set copies to the number of prints that you want to make. On the Quick Access tab, under Paper Size, click Custom. Set the width and height of the paper, as you did at the press control panel. Note that the terms for the paper dimensions are different on the server. Width equals measurement in the cross process. Direction and height equals length of the paper in the process direction. Process direction means the direction that the paper moves. Click OK. On the Media tab, set paper source to tray 5, bypass. On the Finishing tab, under Delivery Options, select the OCT or specific top tray that you want to use to collect the prints. Output must be delivered to the OCT or a top tray. Click Print and monitor the printing.